What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video through the YouTube mobile app. Now in this tutorial I'm actually going to be showing you how to upload a YouTube short, but it's literally the same process. It'll automatically process as a short if your video is short enough. Once you're on the YouTube mobile app, you're going to go to the toolbar all the way at the bottom and hit the middle icon, that is the plus symbol, and then it's going to bring up these three options to create. You're going to upload your video from here. And then you're going to select the video from camera roll. Like I said, mine's is short, so it's going to look a little different, but it's literally the same process. You're going to hit next. And if you want to trim your video or edit it in a little bit slighter ways, you could do it through YouTube. It doesn't have the best editor, but you could edit a few different settings. Once you get to here, you're just going to create a title for your video. Now, YouTube doesn't really have the best sort of settings as far as your video goes. If you really want to upload on YouTube mobile, you're gonna probably want to download the YouTube Studio app. It has a few different more settings. You can just upload on here and then edit it a little bit more there. But if you really want a detailed upload and have some features that you might not even know about if you upload from mobile a lot, you're probably going to want to go on the desktop version. But this is a simple way to upload through your phone. And if you have files on your phone and you edit on iMovie sometimes like I do, it's really easy to just upload files through YouTube and then you could just view them yourself. If you have any questions though, or were confused at all by this method, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.